Hello, welcome, I'm Sue. Today we're just going to have a quick look on how to sublimate some key rings I was doing. I thought I might as well film what I'm doing. We'll just show you how to prepare the blank, steps to follow, time and temperature I used, and the assembly. Okay, let's get into it. So you need to peel the plastic cover off of each piece. It'll be on both sides. And I normally just get my nail and get the edge up. I pick the circle area and peel it off that way. And then what I've done is I print out a front and a back. So that'd be one side and that's the other side. You can see I've inverted them, made them reversed. And you place it like that on top. I do them in blocks like this, or sometimes even 2 blocks if it's a smaller piece. But this is the one side and this bit will be the other side. So when this side's pressed, I will then do the other side, and same with this one. So I use this tape dispenser, which is super cool, and it just basically, just move some pieces out the way so I don't wreck them. Basically just twist like this, and it cuts the pieces as it twists. So I'll just put it back out the way because you won't be able to see what I'm doing if we do that. Put that bit back there. And now I've got the wings of the fairy there, so I'm going to try and squeeze it up as much as I can to the top. And I try not to put too much tape on the blank area where it's not been pressed yet. And on my, I'll just check my top, it's a dinosaur one. On my heat press I have got butcher paper, but I sometimes use baking paper. Butcher paper is probably a little bit better. So these will get baked. I'll pop them in the press this side up, and I'll be back in a moment. So I've got my press set at 190 Celsius and 60 seconds, and this is my designs face down. And all I do, I put a fold in this paper, and I fold this over so there's paper on the top and the bottom. It's a bit hard to see because it's white. And then you just push it in. I love this press, it's a really good press. And you press go, and it will come back up when it's done. Okay, so here's some earrings that I've done. Quite cute. Not finished yet. I've put the horses on these ones too. Now with the bigger ones, you need to actually think about placement of that hole where the picture is against it, and I've mucked up on one of mine. So this one here, it's not friendly. The hole's not great. So what I should have done is pop the design lower so it worked better, but never mind. This is the first time I've actually done this particular design, so I will know the next time. Move it down a bit more. Horse is not too bad. So all I'm doing now is popping these on that way, and the pussycat's all right with the hole there. That's not a big drama. And the dinosaur's fine, and I don't love the hole there either, so I should have put that one a bit lower as well, but never mind. Can't now. I have to just match it up and hope for the best. And once again, tape it down. And the first time I was very worried about the tape going onto the blank. I'm not so worried this time. However, you do still need to be a bit careful because just sometimes it peels off the sublimation. Depends on your blank, which is really disappointing after you've finished it, that it comes away. So that's not friendly. bit hard to tell if that's lined up or not. As you can see, I love that tape dispenser because it just makes it so easy to get your pieces of tape already pre-cut. Alright, I'm going to go and press these just the same. Okay, so I've matched up some different tassels with the colours. I'll grab a jump ring. I'll grab it with my fingers this time. And just thread it in there. Grab your keychain link and thread that on there as well. This is where you need your pliers. Now you might be able to just close it up with one pair of pliers like that, which does work. However, I often do it with two. So I do it with two like this. And just twist in opposite directions. And then I'll get the single pair and just do that last little squeeze. And there you have your keychain. This one's really pretty, isn't it? I like this one. I have fun making these. I'll put the rest together and then I'll do my earrings. Earrings is very similar. Two pairs of the flat nose pliers, and open the jump ring if you need to further. Pop it on, do it up, and you've got your earrings too. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.